Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to see or view ignored friend request on Snapchat. So guys, if you want to see or view ignored friend request on Snapchat, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, this is very basic and simple. You can easily do this. So guys, first of all, you have to simply close the window and open your Snapchat, and then you have to simply go to your profile, and from here scroll it below and then go to add friends. Here you can see this. Simply tap on add friends, and once you're here, tap on three dots button, and then you can see friend request I have ignored. So guys, you can see this. You have to simply tap on this, and from here you can easily see or view ignored friend requests on Snapchat. So guys, here you can see all of the list that you have ignored on Snapchat. So as you can see this, from here you can accept them or you can reject them from here as well. So guys, in this way you can also see or view ignored friend requests on Snapchat. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.